In this video we're going to take a little look at the Modh Coinníollach in the Irish language. The Modh Coinníollach is known as the conditional mood, so it's like trying to articulate what would happen subject to certain conditions. If you would like to learn more about Irish grammar, words, phrases and lots more, then click on that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell notification as well, where you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So the first thing to notice about the Modh Coinníollach is that the Modh Coinníollach version of Irish verbs is going to be very similar to the past tense version of the same Irish verbs. So this should make it easier to understand and digest. If we take the Irish verb to buy, which is ceannaigh. So cheannaigh sé means he bought. That's the past tense. Cheannaigh sé. In the Modh Coinníollach, he would buy is cheanóg sé. Cheanóg sé, he would buy. So you can see there that the first half of each word there is pretty much the same. The Modh Coinníollach is very similar to the past tense of the verb. Next, when we're deciding on what ending to put on the Modh Coinníollach, it does depend on a few key points. For example, if it's regular or irregular, if it's broad or slender, and if the word has one syllable or two. For example, if we think of the Irish verb ceannaigh, to buy, ceannaigh has two syllables, and then if we take the Irish verb cos, which is to turn or twist, cos has one syllable. So because ceannaigh has two syllables, it's going to have a slightly different ending than cos, which has one syllable. I hope to go into more detail on the types of endings you attach to the verbs in the future, but for now I just want to keep it fairly simple and give you a basic overview. Another important feature of the Modh Coinníollach is the lack of pronouns when it comes to expressing me and you. So for example, if we look at the Irish verb ceannaigh again, cheanón means I would buy, cheanón. Cheanó fá means you would buy, cheanó fá. There is no need to add may and to there because it's all covered under the words cheanóin and cheanó fá. So hopefully this can help simplify the process of learning and understanding the Modh Coinníollach. Let's look at some sample sentences now using the Irish verb be in the Modh Coinníollach. Ní bhín róchinte de sin. I wouldn't be so sure about that. Ní bhín róchinte de sin. So as I mentioned a few moments ago, no need for a pronoun there. Bheith fá crackailte dá níl fá. You would be mad to sell. Bheith fá crackailte dá níl fá. Again, no pronoun there because you're talking about you, as in bheith fá, you would be. And you'll notice there's a second Modh Coinníollach word in there, dá níl fá, if you would sell, dá níl fá. Bheadh sé áisiúil. It would be handy, or it would be convenient. Bheadh sé áisiúil. Bheith mis buíoch ach tú a bheith I láthair. We'd be grateful if you'd come along. Bheith mis buíoch ach tú a bheith I láthair. Bheith is anna sásta ar fad. They would be very happy. Bheith is anna sásta ar fad. If you enjoyed the topic that I covered today, then please give this video a like. And let me know down in the comments section if you would like me to do more videos on the Modh Coinníollach. Thank you very much for watching and I'll be back soon. Slán tamó.